zani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu ndabe sekudwini ekudwini.
Welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive, brought to you by Deb3 Events, your trusted partner in events planning and management. So guys, whenever you need to host an event, be it a corporate event, be it a social event, be it a family event, church event, political event, whatever, just get in touch with Deb3 Events using the contacts on your screen. Also, upcoming musicians and musicians that have already upcame. We've got a rehearsal space, we've got studio, we've got sound engineering services, whatever service you need to produce your music, your podcast, you name it. Deb3 Events ikona. Photography, videography, Deb3 Events ikona. So just use the contacts on your screen, to make whatever inquiry you want to make. My name is Nondutu Zongube, ngihamba lo General Leslie as usual. It's nice to be here. Kumnandi ukubala.
Amen. Hello and welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive. This is your boy again, General Leslie, and we are back again this week with exciting news, good stories and not so good stories, but whatsoever. We are so excited to be here, and we are so excited that you keep on following, you keep on sharing, you keep on subscribing, and you are telling someone about the podcast. Siyabonga kakhulu. Like I said, amazing stories today. The energy is high and the tensions are low, Aguliwa. But let me remind you that this episode is powered by Oguhle Designs for all your graphic work, whether you need t-shirt printing, cap printing, whether you need banners, posters, you need branding for your small tuck shop or a very big restaurant or a bar or a canteen or a saloon, whatever that you may need. Make sure you visit Oguhle Designs or just contact them on the numbers that I have provided konapo ku screen. Well, it has been an interesting week. Last week kade kuqala ngajijis. This week angkhuluma.
Discord yahambelana. Anyway, sikhumbuzane njalo sisakhuluma nge-Deb3 Events. Guys, if you need a PA system, if you need LED solutions, lighting effects, if you need fog machines, sparklers, whatever you need, guys, Deb3 Events ikhona lapho. Abo MC labo futhi bakhona, sikhona thina.
Mina ntuli aparinga ntuli.
Usufuna ukufaka i-red card.
Hayi ngiyadebe mbonzi ngakhuluma i-red card. Bangikhansila hayi sikhona.
Upanjanzwa ingwane yakho le edlisayo.
Uzani lizobona ithimu yezwe lonke. Uyabona into engithanda ngebhosani, ibhosi njengami amvumi. Singadliwa siyathi ureferee. Ureferee wrong. Bona bahlohle 1, wayilina lingadlotanga 5, alright. Hayi ureferee be goalkeeper, ureferee be ball boy, ureferee be lineman, ureferee be sithi singagabi shot, afaka unyawo a block ureferee. Stupid.
Anyway, this week, in as much as we are saying it's exciting, indaba esilazo zilokuba munyu tease.
Yeah, munyu.
Because we saw a headline which trended about a 17-year-old girl obefunda eTownsend. She was reported missing for a while.
For a month.
For a month, yes. Wasetholakala ehlala le 25-year-old as a wife.
Yeah.
And into yankhona mina ngathi the law is blurry when it comes to these things.
Mm-hmm.
It's a bit blurry. Ngoba sisaphikisana on social media.
Mm-hmm.
But what does the law say? We're talking of a 17-year-old. And sihlezi sisilwa futhi nxa sibona kuthiwa consented. Kuthiwani? Ama-legal terms lawo. So how does a 17-year-old consent? What and stuff like that. Yeah, but mina ngithanda ukukhangela ngeperspective yomzali ukuthi
Yes.
a 17-year-old is a child to me.
Yeah, true.
Umntwana. And I can't imagine what reason would a 25-year-old have yokuthi ahlale lo mntwana le 17 years for a month and abanye bathi abantwana baqamba amanga, but can you stay for a month lo mntwana le 17 years ungakwazi ukuthi le 17 years wena ukwazi ukuthi uyafunda, you can't even think ukuthi nxa efunda umntwana lo could be a child, you know? So angikwazi.
Khumbula kule clip, because mina ngithemba another thing, it referred me to a clip that we used to laugh about of angazi mbe village head wayebala iscript eManyikaland zithi kaona mwana mdododo achione TV mubawa tinosunga mwene webawa. So when I thought of it,
Mwene webawa, what's that?
the owner of the bar.
Okay.
So number one, I'm a problem mina that I think are there. Ama children spaces awukuthi badlale either church, because kudala, I don't know if you're aware of this, not kudala vele bekusithi nxa kuyakho kuchiyo igceke, so amagceke lawana beqhakathekile because bekuzindawo zokudlala. So bekusithi even kungafakwanga mjingo kungafakwanga lutho, but kwabe kulegceke lokuthi abantwana bahamba bedlala. But amagceke ayekhona karesi either sokule church or sokule stand esilama tuck shop also akusadlaleki laphana, sokulama car park and so on. Then amalokitha amatsha aseyakho akusela vele amagceke lawana vele sokuhle vele kuminyanisa izindlu. So it means izspaces zabantwana zokudlala number 1 azisekho. Number 2, ngile boy amentsha and ngizama ukupromote ibusiness, ansachekho ukuthi lo mncane lo hayi ngenani kuphela. So abantwana bagcwele emabhawa, they are exposed to a lot of things okumele ukuthi ngabe bazibona maybe from kachana or 2 minutes utshontshela, because lami at some point ngingform 4 ngaye ngangena ebhawa basasesaba so ukuthi basebonakala basichaye lebe lingalicachile sokulikona. And sometimes you would find ukuthi liyathuma umuntu phakathi elithengela utshwala linathela phandle because liyesaba. Ukusaba lokho akusekho, and because ukusaba lokho akusekho sokusuka kube nzima ukwehlukanisa, because kulabantu abadala, I always say kulabantu abadala ababehave nje abantwana, labantwana ababehave nje abantu abadala. And we first born then ngovela ohle wakhulu ugcina abana wakho because abazali bahambe eUK so behave vele njengomama and you are only 16. And so into lezana izinto ezokuthi we don't look at them kakhulu ukuthi umntwana asimvumeleni abe ngumntwana kakhulu so that angacabangi ukuba ngumuntu omdala. Then coming back to the 25-year-old man, and very ethically akwenzileyo, it's very wrong. Though to a certain extent ngingam-defend. The wrong is number 1, I think vele iculture. Mina mbonti ngahlala lo mfazi endlini ngingakwazi even udade wabo kumbe even kuthiwa ngimlobolanga ngimtshontshile, and let me know someone at least from the family, ngoba ungabona umuntu soze kuthiwa umove in endlini yangani, it means the relationship esichovile isikhathi eside singe sihlangane namuhla umove in, so ujaha lo isiwula liwule kuthiwa isiwula because awuhlangani lo muntu estradeni uthi sesihlala sonke. So singakakhangeli abo age of consent, and isibindi sokuthi uphomba ukuhlangana lo mfazi estradeni so sisenihlala la usithethe nga awukwazi umuntu from the family. And then into lana iseculated for some time ukuthi umntwana uyadingwa nti kwaze kwafakwa kuma radio station kwafakwa ngaphi ngabani. Don't tell me ukuthi indodalwana ngabonanga ukuthi umntwana uyadingwa wahle wamxotsha ungakabanjwa. So singakafiki vele ku age of consent, I think iluhlanya nje kumele luzihlalele ku rehabilitation center ingqondo zihlangane, because vele singakakhuluma ukuthi ubehlezi lo mntwana vele kunengi okurongo akwenzileyo vele. Ngabe bengixe ukuthi umntwana wona uswelakale 1 night or 2 ukuthi awubile wazolala wasekhohla ukuvuka wagcina songani sokwintambama waselala futhi kusasa wabuyela
Inyanga yonke.
angabe ngiyamzwisisa ngoba lami ngiyindoda but ukuthi hayi abadoda wena ungahambi lihlangane karesi labana uhle ikempa.
So the man knew what he was doing.
The man knew what he was doing. It's something that we cannot run away from. So I could have defended him if it was on the other point. Maybe ngcenye ngabe kuthiwa ube thandana lo mntwana and ukuthi maybe bebebonana wagcine banjiwe. I could have ama-lines of defense because abantwana kuningi abakwenza karesi ungahambe epark uyehlule ukwehlukanisa so ukuthi umuntu omdala nguphi because kuqanyelweni okunye uyabona lokho kuncane lo then okunye kusakhanyi because into abazinathala abazibhemayo ubususo obuchwabhene vele but it's painful. Then enye into futhi enzisa ubuhlungu, I think you always speak about this and ama-ethics of journalism pathetic. Awuthi ungathola okuyistory namuhla nge-certificate sakho esekasi ese-journalism suhle ufake ibizo lomntwana. Let's protect abantwana.
Pictures, yes.
Let's protect abantwana ngumntwana at the end of the day.
I think on this one, sorry ukucut.
Yeah, it's okay.
I think on this one enye issue eyenza ukuthi iface yakhe ibe khona out there ukuthi umntwana lo was reported missing.
Yeah,
so
ifirst I understand.
the picture was circulating and it takes circulator laphana sokuthiwa found. The picture is already there.
Yeah, the picture is already
it
there.
It also didn't help. Plus obviously khona lokho esikutshoyo ama ethics
ngoba ubonile ama-official reporters bebebhala ubone ukuthi ngumntwana because I agree sembonile ipicture ngabona lebizo ngabona konke kanti but indlela akade bekuchaya ngayo okuyinto kwakhona and bekwenza mina ngimzonda umntwana lo
ungani lokhana ukuthi toko
umntwana lo uyahlanya karesi obaba lo seze wabotshwa ngaye indlela akade bekuchaya ngayo. So I think into lena yokuthi kuthiwa yimi engiqala ukubhala.
I think lento yena le eyokuhola ku social media uyazi ukuthi I think ngiyakwazi abaningi bazacabana la mphathi I think sokumele ivalwe.
Yeah.
Ngoba people are doing anything to make money.
Yeah.
And including dangerous behaviors, harmful behaviors just to make money.
Yeah, true.
Umuntu ufuna itraffic ku page lakhe. Yabo? And abantu sebehlakaniphile kade sebekwazi ukuthi ungabhala ngesikhiwa siya report. Sebebhala ngesintu. Ukuthi vele
ungazo report uthi report page umetha vele uconfused ukuthi angizwe isizulu.
Uyabona ngkhona. So angikwazi how it should be handled but mbona ngani sokule problem.
Then ungakadluli. I think vele kuyahle kuphose kusifikise endaweni elandelayo. You'd agree with me ukuthi umfana ole 25 years omunye kakafike ebudaleni sibe laye usaselo buntwana obuningi because we've got a lot abahlala ngibo, some have not yet even tasted what you call a job, abanye baphuza ungena esikolo so uloku ese university at 25. So age lana at 25 uyabusangani ungena ebudaleni ngapha nxa ukhule njengathi uthi ukhule kunzima but mawukhule sibili ngabo cheese labo bekhona at 25 yabulokhu lobuntwana. So ngiyaquestiona futhi indlela umntwana ongumfana okhuliswa ngayo.
Can I ask you something? It's not asking, it's asking and it's a point at the same time. Ukhuluma ukuthi so also depends nge background yakho. But I think if you are 25 and usase ngumntwana, I think uyabuhlala ngini.
There are some
ukuthi usuphumile susiyaloja susiba head of the house. I don't think I think
there are some guys that are privileged. Yukuthi kuphela for my own safety and I wouldn't mention names, but we have seen stories ezokuthi umama ugcine search girlfriend ngoba umntana akho bekwanisa ukuhaya iloji yonke. Something that happened elizweni lethu and so ulayo imali umntwana yokuyahlala ku BNB. Ulayo imali yokuthatha indlu laphana because ulayo resource. But izinto azenzayo ngezobuntwana.
So akula problem nxa ile mali abazali bele mali kuthi uthi sebeza mdefender ecourt.
Into enza ngitsho njalo no one. As much as we we want by all means to protect umntwana oyinkazana. Another way of really protecting umntwana oyinkazana ukuprotectwa ngumfana.
As well, yes.
So that laye aqalise ukuzwisisa ama roles and responsibilities ngoba yena uhlazitshela ukuthi sengiyindoda and because kafundiswanga ukuba indoda. But ngabe ubefundisa ujaha lo vele ubezabona ukuthi kulobu wrong obunenge entweni engiyenzayo. But ungakukhangela kuhle sibili ongamjajanga kakhulu. Uyanenza ukuthi into yakhe la yilobu ntwana. It's excitement yobuntwana sibili.
You know khona lapho ngutshele speaking of that list. I problem ekhona ukuthi sithi umntwana ongumfana ka protect and stuff like that. But who is out there to protect umntwana ongumfana? Women. Sigcwele lawa ama-feminists. They are there. And most men, they don't like them. But let's like them or hate them. But they are doing a tremendous job in terms of protecting and promoting the girl child. And they've done a lot.
That's very true.
And you find ukuthi most men don't like the feminists.
I'm one of them.
You see, but linjalo lingabathanda and they are doing a lot of good things for the girl child.
True.
So now when you are saying umntwana ongumfana ka protect or ka promote, lifuna kwenziwe ngubani? Are you saying women, while they are protecting the girl child, should also focus on protecting the girl child? What about men?
My point is, and ekucineni kwakho konke, the most affected is the girl child. That's why kumela protect kakhulu. Ngoba nguye mina nyakwanisa ukuthi ngamithisa ngiqhubeke mfunda. But umntana amo inkazana somele abe le gap here ukuthi kumele aqala nesi umntwana, you understand? So usuka abe ku disadvantage more than mina. So yikho kuqhakathekile ukuthi oyinkazana a protect kakhulu ukudlula yini ongumfana. Ongumfana ngithi uthi ka protect. But ngithi abo baba maybe asiqaleni ukubafundisa ukuba ngamadoda. Because umntwana ongumfana vele even emncane akadinga uprotect. Uyazilwela and we need protection, yes, but ufundiswa kakhulu ukuba tough. Then ekufundisweni ukuba tough usuka ufundiswe ukuba tough kakhulu. Ongasafundiswa ukuba buthakathaka. And lapho kungadingi khona ube tough. Yaqhubeka ku tough. For example, ngabantwana abangu2 la. Omunye le 25, omunye le 17 and obaleke ngibo ngole 17. So ngabe lo le 25 wafundiswa ukuba indoda ngabo le 17 ngabalekanga ngibo. You understand? So I'm not saying let's rise and be like the other activists guys uthi umfana like alwelo. No, let's just sit down with our boys and talk to them.
Yeah, still you guys have to do that.
No, not us. You also have to do that. Because Lina
so if women are doing it for both children, what are men doing? That's my question.
No, I'm not saying men are not,
if we're saying
know ukuthi kuma activists amaningi ayenza iactivism yabo mama amadoda amaningi kakhulu kwaba
khonapha befunge khona lapho ukuthi we've got even men who are feminists,
maningi
right?
sibili kakhulu
sibili.
So engutshe ukuthi umntwana akabe ngumntwana bangaqathaniswa.
Hey, kodwa le 17 lo le 25 kumele
angitsho in that case and ngitsho ukuthi nxa sithi umntwana akakhuliswe singathi umntwana oyinkazana akakhuliswe then sibe sesidebate ukuthi lo akhuliswe mba abakhuliswa abantwana njengabantwana.
Okay, anyway, like speaking on the issue yokuthi let kids be kids, there's a post that I saw abantwana bebesiya ku prom I guess, and these kids were dressed up in red carpet dresses, beautiful dresses. But I hope bazasifakela picture. Sisi picture ngafuneki, maybe they'll crop the faces, I don't know how they'll do it. But you will find ukuthi abantwana lana begqoka beautiful gowns. And when I was talking about it on my social media, ukuthi these dresses are just too mature for kids. Ngoba I was saying it earlier ukuthi do you know ukuthi umntwana uyagqoka ishort agqoka isigqoko esifitshane kungabi indaba zalutho.
Umbone njengomntwana.
Anyone ambone ukuthi hayi lo ngumntwana. But isigqoko esile vent echaya la Event yona ngokwayo it's sensual. Event. Uyagqoka isigqoko sibile esifitshane. Simbone sithi ngumntwana. But event yona ngokwayo vele I don't think event is for kids. Sibe sesibuya kuma corset.
Kuyini corset?
I-corset ngokungama top lokho kukhona kuyathungelwa lezigqokweni kumbe kagqokwa kunjalo okulama ngani ngama wires ngama rubber and then kube sokusiba lama wires. I-corset kahle kahle yona ngokwayo is to sort of like make an illusion of an hourglass shape.
Oh, okay.
And an hourglass shape iphakamise amabele iqolo libe lincanyane isisu sibe flat and yeah
okay.
Corset. So bese mbuza ukuthi umntwana le 12 years because those kids ngama grade 7s 12 to 13 i-corset uyabe igqokiselwana because i-corset sesizama ukushape sitshengisele ubumama bomntwana lwa yabo. I think those dresses were just too mature for those kids.
Into enginanzelelayo inje so it takes me back to your point ukuthi kula ama-feminist and ama-feminist amaningi and vele kumele abe maningi because mina Kareza and umntana wami ku-grade 1 angagqoka isudu akula problem efanana lesudu engiyigqokayo. But I don't think mama Kareza sengithukile so lama because I don't even know that.
Yeah.
Uyabona ngikwazi so umfana wami mina ngiyakwanisa ukuthenga isudu yami leya kama sudu ethu afanana vele kungabi le problem. But I don't think mama because bengishocked even ukhuluma ngakho before ukuthi kanti isigqoko sasirongo ngani because kimi it's not even making sense. It's just a dress but nxa usuchaza so ngiyaqasa ukungibona angani sokwehlukene. So
We've got beautiful red carpet dresses. Ama boob chup, ama back out in that are made for those age groups. Nxa sifuna amahlombe phandle sikhipha amahlombe phandle sifuna umhlane phandle sikhipha umhlane phandle but it's designed for umntwana le 13 years. We've got those dresses, short dresses designed for abantwana abalama 13 years. But leziyani izigqoko mina I said no. Guys, let's do better as parents. These dresses are not dresses for abantwana. Like it or not, and I know ukuthi kula abantu abazathi, hey abantwana, I was seeing even the comments abantu besithi, hey abantwana mele bafundiswe. They are now at puberty stage. Yes, they are now at puberty stage, but abangajahwa. Yes.
Matric days
esiqala abangajahwa ukuthi babe ngabantu abakhulileyo bona bengabantwana abancane even if they are being taught.
Buke mina ngikwazi uthe yini closet i-coslo closet angikwazi nge-closet guys lapha ngicelana uncedo la because ngiyazama ukuthi lami ngidinge imbono but I know less especially abomama or abobaba that know much about designing and so on. Sicela education because unika information ebengayazi and I think it's important. And how many of us as fathers know about the corsets and all that, or we just give our children money hambe thenga isigqoko mntanami then agcine thenge i-corset and things like that. So asincedisaneni bakithi, is that okay? Mina ngikwazi uthi no it's not. So mina lapha ngiref is it okay? Is it okay? But now that you're explaining about all the corsets and all that, and kuningi la kosokubuya ekhanda lami because even isitolo and I remember Antoine why senza ama arts njengami so bathoa and by then kuthiwa ngama-lingerie eligqoka
okay
kwakungatholakali kakhulu emawindini ama-shop. So baqala ukubona imagine umuntu okukhulele koBulawayo and I think bathoa ngabo 1998 somewhere there. So okuningi baqasa ukubona emazweni and bathi babesethuka so nxa bebabuka izinto lokho and base bengani sebebadala ngesikhathi sakhona and but khathesi is just all over udole town yabe phandle.
I think enye into is because of singathini, maybe just give me time to explain this. Informal sector 1, 2 ukuthi anyone can open a shop. because I think unga-check-a good big shops, check the Edgar's, the Jets. Even unga-check-a, even in SA, check the Truettes and stuff. They have a way of displaying things. Anti kuthi kule ndlela yoku-display izinto kuphinde kube lama-sections, kids section, adult section, and stuff like that. And you won't find adults underwear ithengiswa ndawonye le underwear yabantwana.
And even nxa ikhona leyana ayifaka kwaveki bodoli.
Yeah, and vele i-lingerie ayigqokisa odoli angazi ngihlala ngiyibona kuma-hangers not ukugqokisa odoli ifakwa kubodoli ithi abama-flea market and stuff like that ithi esifaka esigqokisayo lo kungamashop lokho ama-mall ethu lawa okudivide khona ithi esifaka esigqokisayo udoli ngibone so I think okunye yikho contribute khona lokho yabo. So you find ukuthi i-economy vele state se-economy vele it affects a lot of things. Lento esizibona ngani into ezincane but kuba izinto ezinkulu. And I was saying ukuthi izigqoko leziyana you won't find them in kids section.
I never.
Zisebadaleni. So uthatha umntwana le-12 years usiya la ku-section yabadala umkhethe isigqoko uyabisithi wenzani. Uchiya iside egoli futhi bale advantage yama-shops and stuff like that ukuthi they've got variety.
I'm a designer lawo sengiwasola no, because I'm just thinking nxa ngikhangele uwandi kareso grade 5 eso grade 7 ngizama ukukhangela isigqoko athi yena ngasigqoka kube lo muntu omdala la ugqoka kwane.
No, anti abantwana bayakhula. Abantwana bayakhula and these days
anti bakhangela abantwana labana ngesikhathi baposta abanye sibili balokho
designers are not wrong. How are they wrong?
Anti baba bebe design for that event. Ukuthi sibili angihambanga ngathenga ngifike ngathi nangu umntanami umthungeli.
Khathi nxa kubuya umzali wathi thungela umntanami mina ngizathini. Senza qasta umntana ku under age akuyenzi.
Kana ngama ethics akho. Mina I do clean comment. Karezo ngathi ngihambe.
Ngizini parenting and you find utomnya ugcina sekuthethisa sesithi kungela mntwana ukwazi.
Yeah, but yes kunzima. I-topic le inzima le mina bayingicelana ukuncediswa especially on the issue of dressing. I think i-topic esixabanisayo kakhulu indaba yokugqoka mina vela ngisathanda ukukhuluma ngayo because lapho engazama khona ukukhuluma konke engakhulumayo kwaba wrong.
Uyakwazi uthi ni less like I think one last point ngiyokuthi i-dressing futhi ungakhangela even la kubo baba it's there. I-dressing yonke ile context ile setting. Yabo kule ndawo lapha wena ongahamba ugqoke khona i-western ube umuntu omubi kakhulu.
Yeah, true.
Omubi kakhulu. Then kube le ndawo ukuthi uhamba ugqoka isudu people raise eyebrows good okay.
Karilo ke ngesudu yakhe.
Uyabo?
Nje ngisedla kwa
ufana even kids kulezinye izigqoko ezigqoka amadoda amadala ongeke wena usithengele umfana omncane.
Yeah, true.
The same applies even to women. Abantu into lezi zinjalo and
but ikini kulamabizo kithi libhatch ikini coleslaw. Kithi libhatch elingaka ugqokisa umntwana ibhatch eliyiskotch umntwana ikini coleslaw.
Bona umntwana efaka ama-eyelash echaya lipstick ebomvu full glam makeup wathi lace wig hayi guys.
Mina ngikwazi kukhuluma umuntu ongumama wethu. Mina I'm going to follow up on comments because I need to learn lo mntwana oyinkazana. I need to learn these things and I think it's a time that I sit down and start learning because especially umngane wami Fanuel Nkomo Njabulo Ndlovu. Did you guys know about corset?
Let's
Fanuel Nkomo, be honest with me. I specifically Fanuel Lonjabulo. Did you guys know about Ikoslo? Corset. Did you guys know about corset? I'm waiting for your comments, specifically the two of you. Did you know about corsets? And for all those ladies that follow the Enkundleni podcast, let's talk. Did you guys know about corsets and what are? Do you go out for dinners? Do you know how to separate between an adult dressing and a child dressing? As Kulumen Bagit, because mina ma comments wonke ngizawabala and this we are going to continue next week. That's where we're going to start. Because ngilembuzo yami mfuna iphendule la. Especially ngonkomo. Nkomo. Ngicela mfowami.
And you know, moving on because of our time, sibone enye futhi issue, a local issue, student uJohn Lumate wamkwazi. $100 if I'm not mistaken. Wamkwazi. Khathi abantwana bangenwa yini?
I'm a spoiled brat.
Are you sure?
I know I've been khona apho nje ukuthi explore live nje. Yeah. No, but like into le nihlala ngikhuluma ukuthi I think yakhulunywa futhi nguDesmond. For those that watched episode yami lo Desmond Tini where he actually said the issue of drugs is slowly becoming a pandemic, yet we are not aware. And it's because
are we not aware or we're ignoring it? Because
trust me,
everywhere, lapho khangela khona drugs. Drugs.
Mina, what made me really realize that we are not aware? Nyakwazi ukuthi kulama drugs but angiwazi for starters. And untini wathi eqalisa uku-explaina ukuthi i-shepherd leya, they know how to manipulate it and ngethuka so ngathi
shepherd lesidla esaspenda ngayo umlomo.
Shepherd because it's not only drugs, it's drugs and substance abuse.
Yes,
And
yes.
they know how sweets, they know what to do. So
Yes.
kuningi okuyizinto esilakho endlini asikwazi thina ukuthi so i-issue yama drugs we just know drugs but sibili asikaqalisi sibili ukukhuluma about ukuthi umntwana umnanzelele so ungabona sesenza so i-substance abuse ungabona sesenza so ngama-drugs. So all of us think we know about drugs but
So
we don't.
we're only aware of those hardcore drugs.
Yes, which are very rare actually.
Oh,
Very
wow.
rare amongst these young people. It's mainly substance abuse.
Because there was a time I heard ukuthi they ferment imovite. Imovite isagcwele lapha
Yes,
porridge.
yes.
They ferment it bayenza
Imagine.
iwort and stuff like that.
Glue civil, it's all of. So after Untini said that, Lama started asking around. And you'll be shocked ukuthi ezinto that you ongeke uzicabangele. Abantwana, they now know how to manipulate those things. And information ivela ngaphi, you'll not know. Because ezinye izinto, yes, we can blame social media, but kunengi kwakhona akukho. So kukhona lapha and it goes back to the issue of ama-children's spaces. Ama-round lawana ayefakwa phakathi kwezindlu ukuthi izindlu zigombolozela abantwana badlala lapha. So i-tight marking
babakhangele,
sibamonithile and then sasesivala ama-children's spaces labana and sebesiyabuthana epark akula zindlu and other places esingazaziyo
monitoring
and
them,
no
yes.
one is monitoring the kids. So ngaba ama-children's spaces aphendukiswa yazi ama-movie kumbe achiphe sikambe lawo angazi kumbe Luna Park ihlala ikhona. I don't know what can be done so that kids can play because they are not
Babe
playing
abantwana, yes.
and because they are not playing then they get lonely and start experimenting.
You find ukuthi khathesi abantwana sesibadlalisa ama-video games, violent video games.
Thole siloko ukudubula
Umntwana eseginqa semanzi te.
then sedutshiliwe because amanye badlala online sedutshilwe ngumngane wakho sethi
Eish.
sezondile
Yeah, so
awuzima angazi I think le call sibile yokuthi angazi ukuthi ngaya ngapi but abantwana kabadlali
yeah.
thina at least thina sasithayela ukudlala sasithi singaqalisa ukudlala game 2 ngaphansi kwe-tower light ongamaketo okuncane okwezitina so hayi awobona sokungu-8 kulokho kuyi-0-0 and wawukhohlwa ngento yonke ufike endlini sodiniwe ngapho masala ukutshayela i-homework bari ungumntwana like uwona okobuntwana
Harmless, yeah.
So I think ukudlala lokhana ngazi ukuthi kungenziwa njani ukuthi abantwana bakwanisa ukudlala.
Yeah.
So
into leyi vele ikaningi leyi.
Yeah, ikaningi
Because
sibili,
ungakhangela even into ezinjengabo we're talking of kids and kids as they grow. Into ezinjengama youth centers la akusekho, it's either kukhona akusebenzi.
ama-youth center vele I will say this ngingaxolisi and asengani ngawabantu so awasekho as open as they should be for kids to just go in and play. So kumele uregister, so kumele wenzeni.
And you'll find ukuthi asegcinelwa ama-church Saturday yangibhukhiwe Sunday kabe
and
kubhukhiwe.
abantwana yi-weekend yokuthi bafuna ukudlala.
Yeah.
So then ngikhona ngunanzelela lokhu khathesi. Into le I think iqhakathekile. Silomntwana le 17 years obaleke ngibo wahlala le ndoda. Lo munye umntwana because if they are saying a student it means it's around that age.
Yes.
Okugwazayo. Uyabona indlela abantwana bakhuliswa ngayo ukuthi ibenza kusasa kuyamanifesta. Because like we're saying ukuthi lo oyinkazana maybe ubedlala ama game abodoli what or that and learning to be tender and soft wasebona ngathi sekwazi
Sengaba ngumbamba.
gcina indoda kadlala umamtshana because akulanda ukudlala umamtshana ekazi and then eqeda ukuthwala udoli sesiyagesa imganu uzibone sengumama because ama activity awenza kakhulu and lo layo uyabehlala ama game lawa so akukhangela ukumate lokho akunjayi lokho lokhu alokudabwe buyana nyakudabula ka raise lethi ngqaba abantwana siyabasola bari yesh abantwana they've been robbed of a lot of things.
Yeah.
Even in school.
So yazi bese sikhangela ukuthi today we talked about omunye osebe ngumama isikhathi singafanele singafiki. Abayi2 sebesiba ngama jailbirds,
yeah.
So uyakunanzelela ukuthi we are looking at a society where we have amabhantiti singazi ngapha ku 17-year-old ukuthi uhambe njani nama single mothers.
Saba lamabhantiti lembokodo.
Khuluma le single mother phela la.
Hayi ngiyaqolisa bezimboviva.
So make sure ukuthi uyazufaka ama break.
Lapha ngi single father. Lapha mina ngi single father. Lapha ngimbokodo.
So ajaboni society you. And it's unfortunate ukuthi lamsempushe yami kathesi ku platform. It's unfortunate ukuthi you find ukuthi it's single mothers that are shamed. Amabhantita are shamed.
Yeah, true.
Uyabo?
Yeah, true.
But isikhuluma ngomuntu ogwazileyo. Isigebenga phela lesi.
But isigebenga singumntwana.
Hayi even uba ngisingle mother ungumntwana. Sukhulile you are shamed. Kodwa ibhantinti leliyana uthola ukuthi yilo futhi elishemayo.
Really time mina nje imwani twice.
Uthola ukuthi yilo elishemayo futhi yabo. So I think ububi regardless of gender. Kumele ububi vele bunga encourage. Yeah, so antsho ukuthi mina ngimubi but khonapha
mina at least angakwazi umuntu bar umuntu angangikhangela kubi mina
not to violence.
Right.
Not to violence.
Not to violence.
Right, moving on to my favorite topic. We are moving on to the arts sector. Chris Panyathi, one of our very own great actors based in South Africa, ufake i-post on Facebook. It was an emotional and moving post where he was talking about gaining or garnering more support in SA than in Zim. And whereas yena is Zimbabwean, yabo. And i-post yakhe ifake iyenze abantu baba lembono and abantu vele ku Facebook bale mbono social media everyone
lo mbono lapha na vela is safe space.
Yeah. But I'm glad ukuthi kupostwe i-favorite yabantu. Ngoba abantu bayalahla. And Crispin is a fave of almost everyone. That's why he didn't get much backlash.
But for me, I stand to be corrected. Crispin uhambe eSouth emncane. Ngapha engakayenzi lutho.
Okay.
Abantu abamaziyo nga
emncane as an artist umbe emncane yena individually.
I I'm not sure, but as an artist vele besingamazi and I think lama advert engangiwabona ama first adverts akhe ansakhumbula ukuthi kwakuyiphi brand ubekhanya emncane, so I assume ukuthi Vini Edge.
Okay.
And then sibe mazi sesimbona ngale.
Ekhona lezi.
So it means ngale bese bemazi ukudlula thina. So angikwazi ukuthi uChris ufunani.
I think he wants, but
So ufuna ayenzelwe njani? Ayakhela umuzi nje
it
usikhosana.
didn't sound like he was complaining.
Yeah, maybe
He sounded like he was saying ukuthi I think kube lama post lapha yime sengikhuluma wami umbona ukuthi kube lama post ukuthi ungani yena appreciate more essay than the side. Wasekhuluma ukuthi hayi mina vele umsebenzi wami I get umsebenzi nga. I get booked nga. You know, I get ama gig nga.
so nxa kuyikuthi ngumuntu othe uChris appreciate more essay than ngapha. Yena lo phela ngoyohlangana because uChris umsebenzi wakhe use South awukho la. Lapho yabuye sizovakatsha and singahlangana la eCaresi la. Kulabantu abaningi abangamaziyo total abangamdlula. But ngale yindawo yakhe so mina vele anzwisisi mina ukuthi umuntu yabefuna nofuna uChris abuye emzini wakhe afika athi sembuyile. There's a tower now
I think besides in a lay issue okhuluma ngayo, I think it also raises indaba ena le yokuthi ngaphandle kwa besides in a lay issue you find ukuthi vele kulesaka ngisakwazi ngizama ukusicabanga that's why ngilokhu ngizama ukusicabanga but sesimbalekile esikhuluma ukuthi umuntu appreciate more emalayini
iverse
iverse
eBhayibheli
lesaka sikhona
or saka ngisazi ngazi iverse anti mina umuntu echeche
even lesaka yesikhona esokuthi umuntu you find ukuthi umuntu appreciate more emalayini than kibo silawa ama artists amanye aqala khonapha amanye angaqalanga khonapha but asebe appreciated kakhulu outside the country
singabalekeli no abantu abadlayo lokho wena okuthengisayo ukuthi okuthengisayo kudliwa kakhulu ngoba mina nguboni kuyinto embi ukuthi ngiliZimbabwean ngithengise into edliwa kakhulu eNamibia ngi-appreciate eNamibia ukudlula eZimbabwe
kufanele
enguthengisayo ukudliwa eNamibia
ukuthengisa imbeba koBulawayo
antu yabona so it's not a bad thing ukuthi umuntu abe lento yakhe anti i-appreciate as long as he appreciate some way pusha. That's what is important because ukhona omunye lento enhle vele nga-appreciatewayo angaza engaphi vele appreciate but at least wena usutholile abantu abafuna ukudla into wena oyiphekayo pheka phela than uthi uqala ucomplain ukuthi wonke because eSouth Africa bayathanda ukudla lokho engikuphekileyo lani maZimbabwean by force somezi ukuthani ungafaka ugodola ude siyagcwala ungafaka insimbi zezwane siyagcwala ungafaka Abigail Mabuza siyagcwala yikho esikudlayo
Abigail yamthanda
manje ngakutsho ukuthi ngumuntu ezo aphi ungixolele aphi when I first started listening to music aphi truth ngabhokala kuyini ko ayimboa amabhithi lawana so what but I love how these people can move crowds on stage.
Okay.
At home, truth, I listen to soft music. Thandiswa Mazwai, Sjava, Lewanika, something Soweto. Locally, I listen to Abovuyo Brown, Kwezi, Umfana Msoto. I listen to soft stuff. Because mina angikwazi ukugida, angikwazi ukwenza lutho. So ngiyalalela most of the time. But ungathi asambe kushow. Ngiyabe ngikwazi ukuthi omember laba berumba laba. Ze-deliver. Ze-deliver. Ikatali lakho nale khala 15 minutes. Ugodolute lokho esithi 15 minutes. Abafana bese so I started then appreciating but these guys yibo abantu abasirepresentayo ngoba Caresi we had a lot of people ababesithi ama-artist akubulawa wagcwalisa ama-venue ngamanga. Ulabantu bakho wena abangagcwalisiyo ama-venue. Remember lezi zagcwalisa ama-venue lezi. And nxa ungasihlanganisa zonke sibili bafake Ndolwane Dukes ubabuthanise bonke iWhite City le yagcwala le. Bagcwalisa ama-venue those guys because they have their following. And uyakhumbula kuBulawayo Arts Festival. It was an unadvertised show. Bapomba ukufika basetha amakatala the next thing was ukudinga security. So when athengisa into yakho lapha edliwa khona. Simple.
So now, speaking of ukuthengisa izinto, right? Sesi-approacha i-end of the show. Angithi ungasitshela ukuthi kuyini okuyaphakululwa okubuyayo.
Mina ngithengisa umvundla. Okay, it's that time of the show lapho no mbophela khona ngentambo. Well, we had a beautiful album launch last week eka Colin Moyo. It was beautiful. Ngibona lama reviews abantu bekhuluma. Unfortunately I did not go, but ngitsendelwa ama video ngabangani bami, but at least khela ukuthi ujahalo oye gospel wenzani, and it was really beautiful. Thanks again to all our artists that went there to support the communities, the church, and so on and so on. If we continue doing that, then we will make Bulawayo arts industry a better industry. Let's keep on vivaring forward and supporting local artists. Right, this week, Angila Ogunengi, I have just 122 Comedy Festival. We have a festival this week, 122 Comedy Festival. Iqala mhla 30. Ajo.
Yeah.
30 October. Yeah. 30 and
Friday, I think.
yeah, if it's Friday then. Yeah. So 30 October, 122 Comedy Festival. If you go online and just search 122 Comedy Festival, I'm a program abakhona kwampana. And what I love the most about 122 Comedy Festival is the inclusion of schools. They are teaching schools film, they are teaching schools comedy, and they are awarding these kids Guma Festival. So the only abantwana bafilima babhizi, abantwana ababaleki besehlala amadoda bafilima, comedy babhizi, and that's what we want. Umntwana akabe busy ukuthi akhohle ngokunene. So they've been filming, they've been working the whole year, and now it's time for them to be rewarded. Unfortunately, kule red carpet angazi ama-coleslaw lawo uthi babe wagqokile nizahamba nge-check ukuthi kuthiwa ama-coleslaw, yeah. So so let's be mindful of how we dress our kids according to Nondutuzo. So so that's what I have for this week. Babugeli, 122 Comedy Festival kwaBulawayo. I'll give you more details on the coming week. Kadindaba mngana. Ngicovale sesibuka.
Thank you for
watching.
So guys, thank you so much for watching Enkundleni Exclusive, brought to you by eDeb3 Events. Siyabonga kakhulu. Please don't forget to share the link to others as well, ukwenza ukuthi labo babukele, and also subscribe and like, and also follow us on all social media platforms at Deb3 Events. Sikhona Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, sikhona. So do follow and like and subscribe.
Yeah.
And also we appreciate our comments, and please continue sending your comments and telling us about what you're thinking. It's being part of the conversation, hey? And also you can also contact us, Tina. I'm a host, our Enkundleni Exclusive on social media platforms is corner. Not to across all these mentioned platforms, general like Kona Futi is General Leslie. Do follow and engage.
Yes, do follow and engage. Also, special thanks to all our friends from the diaspora that are supporting the program in so many ways. I sabonga kakhulu bakithi. You keep us going, asilali ngendlala because of you. So continue to support us, continue to rally in front of us. If you're behind us, yo, in front of us, rally lipambili. So if also you want to support Enkundleni Exclusive, make sure you contact us. Some details here, our Deb3 Events. We are available for partnerships. And hey, bagithi singabonga kakhulu ngoba yeah, mfuna ukuthi ngithenge i-coleslaw nxazisiya award. Yeah, no. But for today, I think this is Pelela Konapa. We are so excited that you guys keep on following, that you guys keep on commenting. So, siyabonga kakhulu from me, General Leslie, Lonondu Tuzongube, Sithi salibona singalikangela.